Sethi Saab, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Gandotra Saab. How are you doing?
Yes, sir, in Bangalore, sir. आप किधर हैं, sir? हैदराबाद में या विजयवाड़ा, हैदराबाद?
Hyderabad, I'm keeping fine. How are you doing?
Fine, sir, fine. I just took my breakfast. मैंने बोला ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद बात करूंगा साहब से.
Okay. Welcome, you're welcome. Tell me. After a long time you are speaking to me.
Yes, sir. नहीं, अच्छा होगा सर. ये देखो, ये मैंने आपको लास्ट टाइम भी कहा था कि आईएएस जो लोग बैठा हुआ है टीएफएस में, तो समीर शुक्ला वापस बेंगलोर में आ गया, कर्नाटका कैडर में वापस भेज दिया उसको. He was working as a joint secretary for the last 4 years. He was doing nothing. He was just he passed the time as a postman.
Now, how you know him?
I know, sir. I know. I met him in Delhi 2 years back in connection of my case also. My fitment was wrong.
Very good.
My fitment is wrong ना. Fitment मुझे पता लगा 4 साल पहले. I got 2 less increment. I met him also. But he is just good for nothing. Nothing.
Tell me.
Sir, this is very sorry affair in our country. All IAS people, they want maja. They want IAS, big car.
Bureaucracy is anti-working class. Bureaucracy, by and large, they are anti-working class, and they toe the line of and they mislead the governments at many times. Because all the majority of the bureaucrats are in the payrolls of industrialists, big tycoons.
Yes. Yes, right.
Yes, they are on their payroll.
Yes, sir. ये आपने सही point पकड़ा. They are only working for big industrialists. They give them license.
That is how.
Yes, ये आपने सही बोला. आपको सही बोला.
The bureaucracy has lost its credibility long back.
Correct.
When they have become on their payrolls of the big industrial and business tycoons.
बड़ा बिरला जो भी होता है इंडस्ट्रीज होता है उसके हाथ में खेलता है ये. उन्हीं का काम करता है जो उनको पैसे देता, घर में जाके बड़ा गिफ्ट देता. सर, आई वॉज इन बेंगलोर इन कैनरा बैंक. ईडी जो यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का चेयरमैन बन गया मैडम, तो मैं उसके कमरे में एंटर किया. उसके सामने एक पार्टी बैठा था, उसको बड़ा गिफ्ट दिया. देखा एकदम गंडोत्रा जी अंदर आ गया. मैं मुझे इसके पीएन अंदर जाओ.
All systems are polluted in the country, in our country, including banking system, and bureaucracy is not an exception. And including judiciary, every system, education system, healthcare system, judicial system, banking system, everything is polluted and corrupted by and large.
They want big gifts. Our MD, ED, they are getting big Diwali gifts, Sona, diamond. They are working for them. They are not caring their staff members. They are not caring.
Leaving all the rules and regulations stipulated in the pension regulations, the Oriental Bank of Commerce MD has given away 200 crores to a battery company and invested in unsecured debentures by diverting the pension corpus funds of Oriental Bank of Commerce. And Mr. Sidhu, the General Secretary of Oriental Bank of Commerce Officers Association, he had a long battle.
Yeah, I know. Chandigarh.
Chandigarh. Yes. And he is the person who is behind that case filed in Punjab and Haryana court for pension objection, which is now MC Singlaw's case on behalf of MC Singlaw, in the name of MC Singlaw. That case is now still going on. So, what to do? We are swimming against the odds. And we are fighting the big powers that be.
We are fighting with big bulldogs. They are bulldogs. They are bulldogs.
It's a long journey.
Sir,
and the industrial and business tycoons had high on our pension corpus funds to grab for their stock investment trading. That's how in the new old pension scheme, there is a clear cut regulation is there. Corpus, as per Indian Income Tax Act, because while introducing the pension scheme, old pension scheme, the banks have signed a trust deed as stipulated in the Income Tax Act, where it is clearly mentioned the corpus funds must be invested only in the approved government securities. There was no exception to any bank deviating, but they have deliberately deviated that clause and invested in battery company 200 crores. 200 crores. That company went in liquidation. All 200 crores lost. For every 100 rupees of investment, they got only 10 paisa or 15 paisa. That's how the Oriental Bank of Commerce Employees Pension corpus funds was diluted. Similar is the case with Punjab National Bank also, where they have diverted 2,556 crores from profit and loss account, from pension corpus funds, and credited to profit and loss account, which is never seen in the history.
Yeah, Canara Bank also, Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda.
Many banks, not only Canara Bank, even Bank of Baroda, they were about to follow Punjab National Bank, but because of our cases, they got. That's how it is. In this background only, I requested the pension corpus funds must be in COG inquiry must be done.
Very right. Sir, the MD, our present MD, he was in OBC Bank also. Mr. Saha, Savrup Saha, present MD in Punjab National Bank for the last 3 years in Punjab National Bank. He was in OBC Bank. Just a minute. Just hold on. Just hold on, please. Hold on. हाँ बेटा. हाँ बस आ रहा हूँ बेटे, बस चलने लगे. हाँ sir. Okay, sir. I will also talk with you later on because I got my call from my son.
Okay, welcome. Okay. Anyway, we are fighting, and we will never not rest. We will not rest till we get succeed.
Venugopal also doing very hard. You know, Venugopal doing very hard from Kochi.
Yeah.
Okay. Please. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Okay. Bye.